Welcome to this tutorial on Cryon 6D. In this tutorial, we will walk you through how to use the meeting functionality. First, navigate to the Share section on the sidebar and select the meeting option from the list of features. To create a new meeting, click the Add icon. Let's start by filling in the meeting details step by step. First, enter the meeting name in the Name field. Select the meeting date using the drop-down Calendar. A pop-up calendar view will appear, allowing you to choose the exact date. Next, select the meeting start time using the drop-down to fill in the exact time. In the Duration field, use the drop-up and drop-down arrows to select the meeting duration in hours. Similarly, in the Minutes field, set the exact minute duration between 0 to 59. In the Description box, fill in relevant details about the meeting. If necessary, add notes for the meeting in the Notes field. Now let's add participants to the meeting. Use the Select User drop-down to add individual users as participants. Alternatively, you can select entire user groups using the Select User Group drop-down. Next, you can upload attachments related to the meeting. Click the Upload File Attachment option to attach meeting-related documents. You can browse and select files to upload. To attach specific file types, select the Attach Files drop-down. You can attach additional files by repeating the same process. Once all details are filled in, click Create to save the meeting. Now that the meeting is created, let's view its details. View assigned participants by clicking the Participants drop-down to see both users and user groups. Use the drop-down to hide or view the attached files. Back on the Meeting List page, you can manage your meetings using the Action button. Selecting Edit opens the page to modify meeting details. Clicking Detail allows viewing detailed information about the meeting. Selecting Delete removes the meeting from the list. This is how you can create, view, edit, and manage meetings in the system. Thank you for watching.